Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. I want to share yet another media test, and this is a vinyl product made by Breathingcolor, and basically it does not require the use of solvent type inks like most vinyl products do. This can be printed on with a regular run-of-the-mill pigment ink printer such as the P800 or any printer that has black matte ink, because this is a matte type media. So to set it up, because this is actually a woven material just like canvas, except that it is coated with a vinyl coating that is also able to accept water-based inks. So what I did was I chose canvas matte, and I'm using the canvas profile for the live canvas that they sell, the one that I previously featured on a slightly older video, and that came out perfect. You will see that on the video following this presentation. I'll show you what that looked like. Alright, to set this paper size up, we go to the driver, user define. I enter the width, which was 17, and the height, which was 11. And we already had that already saved, so no need to resave it. You have to enter that name or the size here and then save it. So we are done with that. No need to continue or repeat ourselves. So off, no color adjustment is the only important setting you need to add. That way the driver does not interfere with the color management that will be done by the application, in this case Qimage Ultimate. We chose canvas matte because it is again a woven material, except it is coated with a vinyl coating that is water-based pigment ink acceptable. Alright, so we are ready to print. We're going to go ahead and click on print and head on over to the printer, and you will see the results. Hello everybody. As you can see, I have my recently printed canvas image. It's an image that I converted to a painting using a utility that used to be available in Photoshop. It was called Artistic, one of the plugins. Unfortunately, it is gone. It is gone now. So I'm waiting for some masonite so that I can attach it to it. Then I'm going to go ahead and varnish it with Breathingcolor varnish. This is Breathingcolor Live, L-Y-V-E canvas, and it is very, very good quality. Right now, though, I am printing on a vinyl coated material. Basically, it's still a canvas per se, only coated with vinyl, and it is capable of being printed on with water-based inks, unlike most vinyls, which are basically meant for solvent ink printing. So we'll see what we get. We will see. I have a image that I did a while ago for my son so that he could hang it on his wall, and we'll see how it comes out on this type of material. Again, you can feel the rubbery quality to it. It is matte, so it has to be printed with matte black ink. I am actually using the same profile that I use for this canvas rendition of my image. So we will see how that turns out. It should be fine. It's looking really good so far. I will give you guys the specs on this a little bit later. Probably show it off at the live stream tomorrow, which, by the way, we're going to have Michael Lee as our guest again. He is with us every month around the second weekend of the month. So looking forward to that. We're going to be talking about the new printers that are being offered by Canon, as well as EPSON, of course. All right, so far so good. It's been a couple of weeks since I printed anything, so the printer, this is an EPSON printer, it ran a cleaning cycle without me asking. So it's not just Canon printers, folks. EPSON printers do the same thing as well. So we're going to go ahead and print a cut line. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it with a pair of scissors, and we'll take a quick look at it. It's beautiful. It is quite beautiful. All right, we'll be right back. Alrighty, and once we are done trimming it off, it's just a simple matter of clicking on finish, It will retract the media back to a starting point. It will not go beyond the platen, so it doesn't have to be reloaded again, which is a wonderful option that you have with the roll adapter. All right, so let's take a quick look at it. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. And the feel, like I said, is just amazing. So yeah, I'll call this a huge success. I'll put the information on the description and where you can get this, and I believe it will work with any water-based pigment printer, Pro-1000, Pro-10, P800 of course. Now, because it is roll, then if you use anything else but a P800 or P900 or anything that allows a roll adapter to be attached, you'll have to cut your own sheets, but that should not be a problem. All right, hope you enjoy this. Let me go ahead and put it up in front so that you can see it. I hope you can see that clearly. There you go. Let's throw some light on the subject there. Gorgeous. Again, one of my son's favorite images. All right, thank you so much for watching. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.